In his novel 1984, George Orwell wrote, "War is peace, freedom is slavery, ignorance is strength." And 1 hour ago, the foreign ministers of Australia, Canada, New Zealand, the United Kingdom, and the US have expressed concern over the erosion of human rights in Hong Kong. Wow, erosion of rights. That sounds really bad. It's too bad that China can't follow the Australian example of human rights.
She's in pain. She's in pain. She says she's in
I'm
pain.
dealing with you now. I need to confirm your identification.
I don't have my ID.
Well, then where is it?
It's in my mom's car.
You don't have a wallet here?
No, I
Where's
don't
your
have.
mom's car?
It's close by.
No. You need to talk to me, okay? The reason we're arresting your mum and we're going to arrest you is because we can't confirm.
I was walking by. I was walking by.
Then how come she's told you that you're her daughter?
Yeah, she's my mom. I know.
Okay. This is serious. You need to talk to me. Where's your ID? Because you're going to be arrested if
It's
I
in my
can't.
mom's car.
Where's your mum's car?
There.
It's where? Over here. Is it walking distance away?
I don't know. Maybe yes.
You need to take this seriously because you won't be arrested if I can confirm your ID. Do you hear me? You won't be arrested if I can confirm your ID. Tell me how
I'm not doing anything wrong.
Yes, you are doing something wrong. You're out in contravention of the COVID restrictions, alright?
But I'm walking.
Okay, alright.
It's allowed.
I still need to confirm your ID and you're going to be under arrest.
I'm not breaking the law.
No, I believe you are, so I need to confirm your ID. How am I going to do that? No, you tell me. You're the one being a smart ass about this.
The governments of all of these countries modeled their COVID policies after the lockdowns which the communist Chinese used in Wuhan. Videos leaked out of China of people being locked into their homes in Wuhan, so of course many Western governments decided that would be a really good idea. Meanwhile in New Zealand, where they told us 3 days ago they had eliminated the virus, now they're hauling away people who've tested positive for the virus to quarantine facilities along with their families. Eventually almost everyone in New Zealand is going to get exposed to the virus, so hopefully they have some pretty large quarantine facilities and some pretty large boxcars to transport them in. And meanwhile, let's look at what's going on in the land of the free in California.
And by God, that is now the law. And therefore, the county sheriff should be here arresting people who aren't wearing masks, who aren't distancing, and who are coming together too strong.
Every good citizen knows that the most important thing is to follow the law. After all, the people who hit Anne Frank were breaking the law, and the people who killed her were following it. Parts of our countries are descending into tyranny and fascism, but it's good to know that our foreign ministers are worried about the erosion of rights in Hong Kong. Toto thinks that globalists are probably laughing their tails off at what's happened to the Western world. People sit in front of their televisions all day, get brainwashed, and completely lose track of the larger picture.
Get off of me! Get off!
Let go of his vest. Let go of his
He's
vest.
fucking choking me! He's choking me! What the fuck?
Let go
Get
of
the
his
fuck
vest.
off me! Get
Don't
the fuck!
touch him. Stop.
Fuck you, bitch! Get the fuck off me! What are you doing?
You just kicked
You're
him.
fucking choking me, dude! What the fuck? You're fucked in the head! You're fucked! What the fuck are you doing to me?
Well,
What
yeah,
have
why
I
not?
done? What have I done?
You just
Tell me
kicked
what
me.
the fuck I've done! What have I done wrong?
You just kicked
No.
him in the chest.
Yeah, but you're choking her. As a man on a girl, and you choked her. For what? For a mask? For not having a mask? Look how pathetic you are. She doesn't have a mask. Are you serious?